this the top? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Vanessa, also known as Certified Winner, and as you can tell by the title of today's video, we are going to be trying something that I've been seeing commercials for all over the internet, whether it be Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, even YouTube channels. We are going to be trying the Fab Fit Fun box. Alright, so from what I understand, this is basically a subscription box, but it's not a monthly subscription box, it's more of a seasonal subscription box. So you get one every summer, spring, winter, and autumn, and it comes with 7 full-sized items. Sometimes it's clothes, sometimes it's beauty, sometimes it's makeup. It can be anything. Basically anything that like girls would want that fall into the category of fitness, fabulousness, or fun. So this subscription box isn't a cheap one. It's about $50 USD, and you get 7 full-size items, and it should approximate to around $200 value. I didn't get the full subscription box. I actually got a starter pack, which I think is a little different. But before I get into it, I kind of want to let you guys know about the shipping debacle that I kind of had. So originally, I ordered this package on September 20th, and it tells me that delivery in Canada is supposed to take up to 14 days. Mind you, I don't know if this is business days or just general days, but I'm gonna give them the benefit of the doubt and say that it is business days. So that means it should have taken about 2.5 weeks to get to me. I didn't actually get it until over a month later on October 30th. Them processing my order and shipping it out was actually pretty fast. I got the email about 6 days later telling me that they have packaged, processed, and shipped out my package. But after a couple of weeks, fast forward to October 9th, it still hadn't arrived, so I decided to shoot them an email and see what was up. The people on the other end for customer service are super nice and they get back to you really, really quickly. They told me that they checked my tracking and that the item had actually been delivered that morning. So when I got home from school, I should be seeing this package at my doorstep. But that wasn't the case. I went home, it wasn't there, and I messaged them again, and they told me I should wait 5 to 6 business days to see if the courier had made a mistake and marked it as delivered when it wasn't delivered yet. So that's what I did. I waited another 6 or 7 business days, and then I messaged them again saying that I still hadn't gotten my order. At this point, they considered it lost or stolen, and they had to ship me a new box. The box shipped out 2 days later, which is actually a bit of a surprise to me because when I was talking to customer service, they said it would take up to 2 to 3 weeks before they even ship out a new box because they ship in batches. So I would just have to wait until the next batch came around. But luckily for me, it shipped 2 days later, but then didn't get to me for another like 6 to 7 days, which is fine because it says in Canada it takes up to 14 days to deliver. But the thing that got me was that they sent it with a tracking number and sent that tracking number to my email, but every single time I tried to track my package and click that link, it actually took me to a dead link, so I couldn't track my package at all. The only way I could track my package is if I emailed customer service and had them track it for me, which is a little annoying. But I didn't have to pay customs, which is a nice bonus. So if you do live somewhere outside of the States, or specifically in Canada, Ontario, you don't have to pay customs for this package. So now that that's all out of the way and I've told you guys about my whole debacle, which honestly probably isn't their fault, it was just a little annoying, we're gonna dig right into things. So this is the box that I got. It was sitting right on my doorstep 10 days later, or I think like 12 days later after they reshipped me a new box, and it literally says Fab Fit Fun on it. So I'm really excited to dig into it. How is this packaged? Alright, so I'm gonna be opening this at the same time you guys are seeing it, so it's gonna be a bit of a surprise for both of us. Ooh, very nice. I like it. It says, welcome to your new favorite thing on the inside top of the box. So it comes with a bit of a magazine insert, I guess, just like the Fab Fit Fun magazine. It says, your box is full of secrets and we're sharing them. 5 ways to boost your workout, how the box is curated, and eat seasonally. So maybe I'll get around to reading that later. And it's really cute. There's actually a note inside. It says, a note from us, and it says, at Fab Fit Fun, we're all about bringing you the best of the best. That's why we're super excited for you to experience this starter box. It's just a small taste of what you can look forward to as a Fab Fit Fun member. Enjoy some of our top rated products, and don't forget that your next box will be even bigger and include even more products. Happy unboxing from Fab Fit Fun. That's really cute, actually. So, oh, it actually tells me what's in the box and it tells me the price. So I want it to be a bit of a surprise, so I'm not gonna actually look what's in the box, but it says that the total retail value is $162. So considering I only paid, I think, $30 for the starter box, $162 seems like a great deal. So let's see what's inside. So I'm assuming what's inside is also beautifully packaged. That's adorable with all of the, I don't remember what this is called. I just call it Easter paper. I don't actually know what it's called, but I see it a lot around Easter. So inside this box, it says something with summer rose, a place for everything. So I'm kind of curious to what is inside. Whatever's in here is really well packaged. Oh my God, that's adorable. It's like a little jewelry holding bowl. I've actually always wanted one of these, so that's adorable. It's a ceramic tray. I actually love it so much. It's so cute. All right, so our next item, I'm gonna try this one. I don't really know what this is. I've never seen this product before. It is a renewing eye cream. Nice. I guess I'll be trying that out soon. I also got a calming spray, which is really nice. I guess it's to help you fall asleep. It says relax together, sleep better, together by busy days and brighter mornings. So that's super cute. I love that. And then last but not least, there is a Leave on Dead Sea mud mask, which is really awesome for dry and sensitive skin relief. So I personally don't really use mud masks. I really do prefer sheet masks, but this is really cute. I really like it. All right, so now that the surprise is over, I think we can look at our little what's in the box insert and kind of look at all the prices for all these things. So the first one is the renewing eye cream. So this one right here is actually $82. That is much more than I would ever spend on an eye cream, but it is an ultra nourishing eye cream that features advanced peptides and retinol to increase elasticity and visibly minimize lines and wrinkles. So let's take a look inside the actual package. Oh, I ripped the package. This is why we can't have nice things. Oh, it's just like a cute little eye cream thing. I can't really use it now because I have makeup on, but I kind of want to smell it, but I can't. It says use AM, PM, and gently around the eyes. All right, cool. Our next item is the Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. So this one is $30, and it says it's supposed to smell like a mix of lavender, vetiver, whatever that is, and chamomile, and you're supposed to spray it on your pillow before bed to improve sleep quality. So I'm kind of curious to what this smells like, so. Oh, that's nice. The lavender smell is really strong, which is nice because I know lavender is a really calming scent. I can't really smell the chamomile, but I think it kind of mutes the lavender a little so the lavender isn't too in your face, but I still don't know what vetiver is. And then there's this last one, which is, oh, okay, so I thought that this was gonna be a face mask, but it's actually a foot cream. It is an intensive foot cream made with mineral-rich Dead Sea mud. This daily cream works to relieve painfully dry, rough, cracked, or coarse skin, and it is $30. So this is the tube right here. It's actually a pretty sizable tube. So they really mean it when they say they're gonna give you full-sized items. Obviously, I didn't get 7 because I didn't get the actual pack, like I got the starter pack. But I'm curious to what this smells like. Let's open it and see. Okay. Okay, so this one just basically smells like a spa. Like it smells like clean laundry. And I just used them on my hand and now my whole hand feels like baby smooth. So I could just imagine what this does for someone's like coarse, dry feet. Awesome, so that wraps up the Fab Fit Fun box. I hope you guys enjoyed what you saw. I know I just got the starter pack and not the full box, but I figured this little taste is pretty much what you would get. The only thing I know with the full starter box is sometimes you get clothes inside, and I think you can actually pick sometimes. So they have like big ticket items where you can choose between like a kimono and I don't know, a pair of leggings or something like that, and they'll tell you the price points for each, obviously, so I guess you get to customize your box a little bit, but then the rest is still a surprise, which is kind of nice. Overall, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's a short one, but honestly, I just really wanted to try this Fab Fit Fun box because I've been seeing commercials for it everywhere, and I'm sure a lot of you guys want to know about it too, so this was a little taste of it. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe down below. I post videos every single Wednesday, so I'll see you guys next week. Bye!